Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to find sound and haptic settings on the iPhone 13. Go to Settings and select Sounds and Haptics. You can adjust vibrations for ringing and silent mode by toggling the switches. Under Headphone Audio, you can reduce loud sounds and set the decibel level between 75 and 100. You can also control volume with buttons and change ringtone and alert sounds. Scroll down to change sounds for ringtone, text, voicemail, calendar reminders, and more. You can enable or disable keyboard clicks and lock sound as well as system haptics. That's basically all. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.